Some official-looking renders of the Galaxy S24 series, color variations, and other design modifications, even in the base variants, were revealed to us. The live event will take place in San Jose, California on January 17, 2024, South Korean time. This is the date that the Galaxy AI-powered S24 series will be released. One of the many AI capabilities that will be available is a new call translation function that will make it simple for you to converse with people, even if they speak a language different than your own, through transcription and translation. Ramster is a forthcoming additional function. In reality, the Galaxy chipset Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 is being used here, along with its AI powers, to upsample the images and information to a far greater resolution. You understand what Samsung is attempting to accomplish here, since in case you were unaware, the default resolution for the whole Galaxy S24 series from Samsung will be 24 megapixels rather than 12 megapixels. Thus, you will get three options when you swipe up on the Galaxy S24 series: Delete, Ramster, and Portrait. An ND filter is the second addition to the Extreme model. Currently, this function will only be available for RAW images. It is also unknown if it will be available on other models, but it will definitely be available on the Ultra model. Next, instead of 12 megapixels by default, the entire S24 series will be able to take 24 megapixel pictures. You really don't need to take 50 megapixel or 200 megapixel photos in order to obtain better details without sacrificing storage if this is the default resolution. Shuttle lag will undoubtedly be much lower and the details will be much higher than any 12 megapixel photos taken by any other Samsung phones or any other phones. Samsung will now refer to the whole Galaxy S24 series as being powered by Galaxy AI. There will be a plethora of AI functions, including the ability to perform an automatic search on anything on the screen by simply drawing a circle around it. It's really a terrific feature for individuals who use the voice recording tool in meetings or similar settings. To top it off, the default voice record now recognizes and identifies up to 10 different voices, and all of that will be visible in the transcriptions. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.